This is the Sony SX30E. Uses a Magic Gate memory stick, a Pro Duo type. It can take several type high capacity lithium ion battery packs. 6 hours plus footage, or the standard size. Basically the batteries just clip into place on the back for an intelligent battery pack, so you get a full readout on the display. It's got a variety of features. Easy mode, got a low light mode, the cards just flip into place just there. Got a full touch screen, nice and easy to press. In front of the camera we've got a flip dust cover which covers the Carl's Ice optics, very good optics. The camera's equipped with Dolby for sound. It's got a 60 times optical zoom and also a 2000 times digital zoom. And we've also got DC in and an AV output. Also on the top we have a photo shoot button. It's quite easy to press whilst filming to take photo snaps, and we've got the zoom there. It's typical Sony build quality, real good, well made camera, and they come in a variety of metallic colours, red, silver, blue, etc. And that's about it.